Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designer here and there. If you think that is something you'll be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. And in today's video, we have another Coach unboxing, y'all. I'm so excited for all my new cute little bags. If you have not already seen, I've already done a Coach unboxing featuring this Tabby, and this is the like shearling Tabby mini or something like that. So if you have not seen that video, I will have it linked below. I showed you what it looks like on me. You know, I actually filled this up and did a, what fits in this bag. So if you guys are interested in that, please check that video out. But now we're getting into a different type of Tabby bag. So yes, if you guys are interested and want to see what super cute bag I got for my birthday, then just all right, y'all. So I am super excited about this bag. So a little backstory. I think I told you in the last video, I haven't owned a Coach bag in over 15 years. And I don't actually have any Coach bags with me in the new house. I think the ones that I had, a lot of them got ruined in my last house in like a flood or something. And I wasn't doing all of the work to get them clean. Okay. My best friend recently knew that I was kind of interested in a particular colored bag, and she sent me this one and I was like, oh, I love it. And she was like, well, I'll get it for you for your birthday. Thank you very much to my bestie for spoiling me all my birthday weekend long. I love her and I appreciate her. So if you're watching this, I love you. But anyway, so my bag also didn't come with a box, right? So I told you guys in my last video that this bag did not come with a box, right? It just came in brown paper bag. So she actually went into the Coach store and got me a box, which I appreciate because actually both of my bags can fit in here. Okay, so again, this was a bag that I've already wore this weekend for my birthday. So yeah, and it comes with, like, they gave her this huge, really big, dumb, like dust bag. Like, why was this necessary? But it's cool because both of my bags are going to go in this one dust bag and be put up. But it is a really cute dust bag, so I appreciate that. Now the name of this one is called the Tabby Wristlet, right? And this one retails for $275. So this is the like or whatever. Okay, so are you ready, guys, to see the bag? So ta-da, this is it. So I have been dying for a silver bag, right? And this one to me is so great because it is multifunctional. So this particular one, you actually have to press the little piece right there and you can open it up. It has a little front pocket here. It has a back pocket here, which I didn't actually take I wore it and didn't realize that this was in it. So I'll take that out now. But yeah, so that, and then you got a inside pocket here. You actually got a couple inside pockets. So this is the, so this is the bracelet it comes with, right? And it also comes with a chain strap, which makes the bag, right? So first I'm gonna show you guys how it looks with all the attachments, and then I'll show you what fits in this, and then I'll tell you the one issue I can see myself having with this bag. So this is the bag. Really beautiful silver. It also has the silver Coach tag. Now I don't know that I'll be wearing it with the wristlet, but if I want to, I can, and that's pretty great. So this is what it looks like, and you can just put it on. You can hold it as like a clutch or something like that. I don't use clutches, but if I did, I would love it to have like a wristlet feature on it so that you can, you know, it can be free in your arm and you don't have to worry about it going anywhere. Okay, I did wear this for my birthday dinner when we went to Maestro's, but I don't think I got any pictures in it. But I wore it with the metal chain strap. It is pretty long, so you obviously can wear it crossbody if you please. Now y'all can't see it. I will add some video clips of me putting it on, but it's actually pretty long because I'm pretty short. So what you can also do is you can put the chains a certain type of way so that it becomes a little bit shorter. And that is what I did. So you can make it shorter like that so that you can wear it, you know, sideways. I don't know if you can see it, but you can wear it like that. So let's see. You can do it like this, right? And now it's even shorter as like a little shoulder bag like that. So I love that. I love that. I love that this chain, I feel like it's multifunctional. Like you can really do a lot with this chain. So I was really, really happy that this is the one she found and I really, really like it, right? Now, the only problem with this particular bag that I am already starting to see can be scratched very easily. I already have a, y'all can't see that, but I already have a scratch here, and I already have a scratch here and here. And this was like before I even wore the bag. And I know some people are about their bags that if there are any flaws or things that are not correct in their bag, they will take it back. I'm not doing all of that. I do love this bag. I'm just going to baby it slightly and be just a little bit careful with this bag because I don't want it to get super scratched and ruined. But yeah, it is definitely some scratches. Can you see that? You see that scratch? Like that's an actual like scratch in it. So yeah, that's the only thing I don't really love about this particular bag. And I think it's just the material of it, which gets scratched easily. I think they have this in sort of gold or rose gold also, but I love silver. I am a silver girl over gold. So I really wanted a silver bag. So now this is also a pretty small bag, so it's not like you're gonna be fitting a whole lot of stuff in here, but you can get a few things. Now they do have sort of like little card case right here, so if you want to put your cards in here, you definitely can. Actually, let me take this chain off because the amount of noise that it's gonna make is going to bother me. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off, and I'm going to put some of the stuff that I normally will put in my bag. So this one is a little bit bigger than the this Tabby, right? Longer than this one for sure, and it's probably not as wide, but the same amount of stuff, same amount of stuff will be able to fit in here. So what I will put in here is my actual wallet. You don't have to put your wallet in here if you don't want to, but I'm going to just go ahead and stick it in here, and it's in there with no problem. All right, then I'm gonna go ahead and add some cash in here. So I'm gonna actually put that in this little slip pocket back here. I'm always wearing makeup when I go out, so I'm going to put my blotting sheets from Sephora in here. I have a little mirror in here. I'm also going to slide that in this little slip pocket, but I'm gonna put it this way so it's in there with no problem. Obviously, whatever lip I am wearing, so my lip liner, my lip gloss. Now I can't stand it up because it will, but I can fold it over. All right, so that is in there. I'm also going to put my fragrance in here. Now this is a more slimmer bag, so I'm going to take it out of the fragrance container and just stick it in here. Obviously I would have a different fragrance. So that fits in there just fine, no problem. And I can also pop my hand sanitizer in here. That is in there, no problem. Now, since it's a little bit bigger bag, I would pop one of my lotions in here. This is a Bath and Body Works hand lotion in here. So I can pop this in here with no problems, okay? So I told you guys before, I don't take keys anywhere with me, like ever. So I'm never gonna have any keys, but here are like my little baby keys. And I can probably slide these on top. So if you got maybe a key fob or something like that, it should still work. I'm not sure, but this is the bag completely stuffed. Again, I do not carry my phone in here, and this is an old phone case, and I don't really know if my phone went in here. I would probably have to take out like my wallet or something like that, but I wouldn't. Again, I don't put my phone in there. So we're gonna lose her. So yep, and she closes with absolutely no problems. Now another thing that I see, actually, that now that I'm looking at, if you overstuff this or something like that, is a chance, okay? Do you see this cracking? Can you see that? It is some cracking in my material already, right? So yeah, so you probably will have to be careful with this, but this thing is stuffed to the brim. And I don't have any problems with it. Let me see. So yeah, so here she is, okay? Here she is with no problems. And I love it. So I do really love this bag. It is super beautiful. The silver hardware, everything honestly about this bag is beautiful, okay? So yeah guys, that is it. That is my thoughts. That is also what fits in here and how I feel about this super adorable bag. If I can find this, I'll link it below. I'll have both bags linked below, but if I can find it. But yeah guys, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.